Across Michigan, communities are facing important decisions about utility-scale renewable energy projects. As proposals for solar, wind, and battery energy storage systems become more common, local officials and residents are asking questions about how these projects might affect their communities. Common questions are around Michigan's changing energy infrastructure, safety and environmental impacts, farmland and marginal land, sound, project decommissioning, and the role of agrivoltaics, where solar is combined with farming. These are important questions. Michigan State University Extension's Renewable Energy Fundamentals program was created to help communities better understand these issues. This 4-hour workshop provides balanced, research-based information on utility-scale solar, wind, and battery energy storage systems. Participants will explore what's currently known, where uncertainty remains, and how local context can shape community decision-making. Our role is not to tell communities what decisions they should make. That's a local decision. Our goal is to help people better understand the issues so they can ask informed questions and engage in productive conversations. Through presentations, discussion, and networking, participants will gain a better understanding of renewable energy regulation, siting, and development in Michigan, along with practical resources they can continue to use long after the workshop ends. This program is designed for local elected officials, planning commissioners, zoning administrators, staff, and interested residents. No technical background is required, just a willingness to learn. Renewable Energy Fundamentals will be offered this fall at 7 locations across Michigan. The workshop registration is $10. To learn more or register, follow the registration links provided below. We hope you'll join MSU Extension this fall as we explore renewable energy fundamentals and support informed local decision-making across Michigan.